never slip on me. My mama might flip on me like, whoa, hey. Drop top coupe in the motherfucking summer. I rest my case like close. Hey, I'ma live life to the fullest with every single breath I take.
Welcome back to the YouTube series where I show my mom music that I like to see if she likes it. And today we're going to react to Cordae. Have you heard of that name?
No, I haven't.
Okay, he used to be a part of a rap group, like NWA, like that type of rap group where it's other rappers. He's nothing like that. Rap group was nothing like them, but just to put it into perspective. But he left it for personal reasons. But he recently came out with an album called From a Bird's Eye View, and that's the album cover right there. It's kind of like artsy. That's him sitting down.
Are those people or like aliens or what?
Yeah, I don't know.
I can't really tell.
It came out, I think this month, 2022. Yeah, so it had to have been this month.
Even though I can't really tell if they're like certain type of aliens or people or something, you know, humans. It is different. It is interesting. The cover.
Okay.
I like it.
So, just as like a preface, it's called From a Bird's Eye View because he's giving a story about his life from a bird's eye view. From like a general view, overview from the top. Like if you were from the outside looking in, from a bird's eye view, from the top. So, the first song is called Shiloh's Intro, and then the second song is called John Michael. So I'm just gonna go since it's just an intro from the first one to the second one. I'm not gonna stop it. Okay.
Like I said, when I was 9, that my first time I held a 9. Put it on God, man, it must have been a sign. Cause my mother, she was stripping, she was always on his mind. While her boyfriend, he was pimping, he didn't have a lot of time. So he showed me where it was and showed me how to work it just in case a nigga run up in his bitch. Gotta murk him first. You don't know the struggle, so you wouldn't understand. Cause in my book, my mama raised a man. Cause I could've stitched on the dude to get me out the camp. But I can tell you what I seen or what I lived, it's up to you. Or let my brother tell the story from a bird's eye view.
Yeah. Brink of extinction, hell bent on survival. This life's a continuous cycle. Consider this a venomous haiku. This ain't no verse, nigga. And I done dealt with the worst niggas. The type to steal your shit and search with you. Tell a message. 10,000 hours, penmanship is well perfected. I'm just trying to get my point across. And on my mama, I will die for the right cause. Cause what's life without sacrifice? And you just wasting talent if you never strategize. Stare death in the face with the saddest eyes. Taking risk, situations getting magnified. What's your ideal way of demise? The price of fame costs your life, but staying alive is more important. The death is the greatest surprise. I see the hate in your eyes.
So what do you think about those two songs?
They were interesting. The intro, I like the way he just like summarized it, because he goes like by age and what was happening at a certain age, what he was going through at a certain age. He was going fast, but I was able to catch on with it. Yeah. With the second one, I like the beat and all that. But it is the same thing, you know. It's just things that he's going through or thinking of. Like saying here, I've been having, you know, the vivid dreams, them, you know, more than shits, more than scary graveyards and mortuaries. It's interesting. I think he's very strong. Yeah. You know, his way of singing and his voice, and I don't know. I feel like he just like really like saying it clear and strong with his voice. Yeah.
So the first song called Shiloh's Intro, that's his like childhood friend who's in jail, incarcerated. So that's why he was doing it over a phone. So that was his friend, and at the end, that's when his friend says, "I would tell the story, but I'll let my brother do it for you from my bird's eye view." And then it goes into this song, and this song is just him just ranting about a bunch of different things that he's just annoyed about or thinking about and stuff like that. But you like them both?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I did. Yes.
Okay, we'll go on to the next song called Super.
Last year I made 7 million, didn't have to do a single fucking show. Should I told my niggas up at Coca-Cola for the check that cut me at the Super Bowl? On my life moments is a Super Bowl. My nigga Dr. Dre, he got a Super Bowl. Last night I was texting Jack Dorsey, that's the perks you get from being super dope. Can't ever slip on me, my mama might flip on me like whoa. Hey, drop top coupe in the motherfucking summer, I rest my case like hey, I'ma live life to the fullest with every single breath I take. Let me tell you niggas something real quick. Hating asshole, you can suck my dick, get cold every time that you touch my wrist. I'm the greatest nigga, can't fuck with this. My niggas pull up in them Chevys and Beamers. We all young and rich, you can't check my demeanor. I just bought a Birkin for my Aunt Regina. I've been getting money since I was a senior, but last year I made 7 million, didn't have to do a single fucking show. Should I told my niggas up at Coca-Cola for the check that cut me at the Super Bowl?
So what did you think about Super?
First of all, I don't know how he does it because he goes on and on and on, and you don't even hear him breathe.
Yeah.
I mean, that just tired me out. I'm like, when is he gonna breathe? When is he gonna breathe? You know, or listen to that pause. Yeah, that's incredible. Basically, is he just like saying, you know, all the money he made, and he's just gonna, you know, do what he's got to do, and that's it? Because right here it says something about he has a bone to pick. Yeah. What does that mean?
That basically means, like, the whole song, you're right, it's just him talking about how he made it. Like most rappers, they always have a song about how they made it. And this one's just called Super because he's super dope, he believes. That's basically it. He's talking about his connections, how he was talking to Jack Dorsey, like last week, he said, I guess, in the verse, I don't remember. But Jack Dorsey's the CEO of Twitter. Twitter's like social media. So, yeah, he's just boasting the whole time about how rich he is, the connections he has, and how he's not going to stop. He's got a bone to pick. All right, the next song is called Mama's Hood.
Yeah, yeah. Used to hoop together, and bro was the first one getting money amongst us all. Like, he was like 15, 16 years old, and he always kept a bankroll on him. And I just miss my dog, man.
What did you think about Mama's Hood?
Like he said, it's, you know, because he did mention his friend in here. Now, the thing is that he says that he was the first one to roll in the dough or the money. He was like 15, 16 years old. I assume that was because he wasn't doing good things, right?
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, because he just says that he was in the shootout, but you don't know if he was in the wrong place at the wrong time, or was that for him expecting it, or what was going on there. But
his friend died.
Yeah, his friend died. Yeah. He said it at the end. And then also when he was talking about him, it seemed like I understood that he had like passed away and died already.
Did you like the beat?
I like the beat. Yeah. The beats he has is like calm, you know. Yeah, they have the beat, but at the same time they're just like mellow, like calm. They're not like strong and like, you know, like you want to get in there, you know. Just like relax. Like if like if you're actually like in a lowrider car and just rolling in the hood, like he says, you know, just relax, looking around. With the bass. Yeah, with the bass. Exactly. Yeah. But it was good.
Okay, the next song is called Want From Me.
Yeah, we need to talk, my nigga. How come you ain't never flew me out? All my bitches talking about they getting flued out. One of my girls, nigga, just iced her wrist and her head. He iced both of her wrists. Nigga, what you want from me? I need more from you. I need some action. Okay?
Okay, what do you want from me? What do you need? I'm only a human, baby, and we all bleed. Never led with vices or destroyed with greed. I'm a man with pride, I won't beg or plead. Just ask, what do you want from me? Getting ahead, I was the head of my classes. Yang to my yang like the feds in harassment. Everything's good, my nigga, like why you asking? Beware of ulterior motives, deeper desires. My whole catalog, I'm keeping the fire. My mom still go to work every day, can't wait till she can retire. I keep it real and that's what people admire. They ask, what do you want from me? What do you need? I'm only a human, baby, and we all bleed. Never led with vices or destroyed with greed. I'm a man with pride, I won't beg or plead. Just ask, what do you want from me? Is it ever enough? Okay, what do you want from me? Is it ever enough? I'll give you the world. I'll give you the world.
I'm gonna keep it G real. I don't fuck with you cause you disrespecting me. You disrespect my hood by telling me take off my flag, asking how gangster I was, nigga. You lucky on that day I was acting cool cuz I told you I ain't got time for that. But nigga, today I got...
It goes into the next song because he says, today I got time, and then the next song is called Today. Okay. So that's why there's that little interlude that's not separate. But yeah, did you like the rest of the song before that?
Yeah, I like the song. I like the beat, and they have like a cool jazz in it, which I liked a lot. I like that. It was different from his other songs. I like the song actually, and I like.
Wait.
I liked it, like I was saying. I like the beat. I like it has like some jazz in it. And then I like where it says that a man and a woman are quite different. I like where it says woman's was made from the man's ribs. That's why we can't live. You be the judge, but ain't no Uncle Phil without Aunt Vivid.
Aunt Viv.
Viv, Aunt
you know
Viv,
that's from?
sorry. Well, Uncle Phil, yeah, but Aunt Viv, I don't remember.
Where's it from? Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Oh yeah! Yes. Yeah. Was that his mom or was that his grandma?
They were his aunt and uncle. They were his
Whoa,
parents.
where he was staying at, yeah, but the one that sent them over there, the old lady that sent them there, I don't know if that was his mom or his grandma.
But that's the reference.
Yeah. Okay, I like that part. I actually like the song. You know, and how he says that he doesn't beg. But he's asking, what do you want? He's just a human. We all bleed.
He also asked that of his girlfriend. He's like, what do you want? As he's talking to his girlfriend.
Yeah, exactly. So I like the song.
Yeah.
From all the ones we heard, I think I like this one the most. Yeah.
Okay.
I would hear it again. Listen to it again.
Okay. I'm gonna play the outro to this song, and it's gonna go into the next song.
Keep it G real. I don't fuck with you cause you disrespecting me. You disrespect my hood by telling me take off my flag, asking how gangster I was, nigga. You lucky on that day I was acting cool cuz I told you I ain't got time for that. But nigga, today I got time cuz.
Hold on, I don't got the time today. Money on my mind, nigga, I got to grind today. Get that shit on delay. Tell my brothers you ain't gotta worry, I'ma find a way. Shit gon' line in place. Hot out the porch too early, my mama say. But car they decline today. Sun gon' shine, nigga, sun gon' shine today. I remember them cold nights. Ninth grade chief keep first dropped on light. What a time had to go by. Eat free lunch in the school, used to roll dice. I remember I ain't have shit. I was broke as fuck, put that shit in the past. Check out my Jag pants. Had to boss up, nigga can't live average. How the fuck nigga still broke? Put on the weight, shit gon' line in place. Hot out the porch too early, my mama say. But car they decline today. Sun gon' shine, nigga, sun gon' shine today.
Did you like it? Mm-hmm. It was Today featuring Gunna, another rapper.
Okay. So it's basically because it was saying how he remembered when he was in school and having free lunch and all that, you know. And I guess now that, you know, he's known and has money and all that, he doesn't have to, he doesn't have to go through that anymore, right? Is that what he's saying?
Yeah.
And that, you know, you ain't gotta have to worry. And then, you know, this is my card ain't declined today.
Yeah.
Because it happens to many of us. So that just means, like, you know, that he didn't have to struggle anymore like he did in the past.
Yeah.
Basically.
The next song is called Shiloh's Interlude, and it's gonna go into H.E.R, the next song after that.
Oh, okay.
This is a Connect Services prepaid call from
Shiloh.
This call will be recorded and monitored. If you wish to block any future calls of this nature, dial 7 now. To hear the cost of this call, press 9 now. To accept this call, press 0 now. For billing inquiries, thank you for using Connect Services.
Hello?
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, need y'all to just rock with me. Yeah, I used to dream about a Dodge Charger. Suicide doors sitting on 24s. I was trying to find a job. Shit, why bother? Fast boy, nigga doing huge numbers. Got this dime piece sucking on my cucumber. I ain't doing too bad for a newcomer. This life shit gave me scars with a bruise under. Certain shit don't make you wonder, but that's a part of the game. We call life, love is hard to attain. Plus a nigga trying to go farther. I finally arrived and nobody's here. Okay, listen to these proverbs, the odd words we call rap music that took me all across the globe. Watch people react to it. Figments of imagination, couldn't fathom elation, indescribable with words. So I'll go.
So what'd you think about that song?
I didn't get too much of the song. I don't know if he's, again, just saying everything he has, you know. But I did like the words where he says, our greatest sins, although my days won't end next to God. I atone for all of my wrongs throughout songs, but let him who is without a sin go cast the first stone.
You know what that means?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Que tire la primera piedra. Like, no one's perfect. We all screw up, you know?
Yeah.
That's basically what he's saying.
So the whole song, I looked at some of the information on the song, and C. Carter is Coach Carter, which I guess was an old like movie on TV that he used to watch all the time that inspired him. So he's trying to be like inspiring to kids, being like, you can, although this was hard to get to this point, and it took me working every day and rapping and improving my skill and stuff, you can do it too. And he's also adding like some braggadocious stuff in there too, but he's also, the main message is that you can do it. The next song is called Sinister featuring Lil Wayne.
Yeah, alright, my flow sinister. This ain't rap music, this straight literature.
Stay hustling as it is, make money, feed the kids. Ain't nothing in the fridge, wake up, repeat the sins. 8 blunts, I need a 10, stay muddy to the lid. 800, eat a dick.
Yeah, alright, my flow sinister. This ain't rap music, this straight literature. Small-minded nigga, all your ideas miniature. They tend to hate on you when they can't get rid of you. I ain't going nowhere, 20-year career minimum. Call Hit Boy for beats, ask for 10 of them. I don't follow trends, my nigga, I swing the pendulum. If the bitch bag addiction, I'm gon' give her some. Yeah, alright, my flow sinister. Yeah, alright, my flow sinister. Right, motherfucker.
Do you like Sinister featuring Lil Wayne?
I think I remember Lil Wayne.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was one of like the first ones, I think, back in the day.
Very popular rapper in the early 2000s.
Yeah. Honestly, I didn't get too much of this song or understood too much from it
It's basically them talking about how they are good rappers. That's why he's throughout the whole song he's saying my flow sinister. Like evil, like my flow is crazy bad, like especially Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne's like a lot of people say one of the best rappers. Like top 5, top 10. So it's just about that.
Okay.
Did you like the beat?
Yeah, I like the beat. I mean, I always like the beat. It's very rare when I don't. But the beat, yeah, it was fine. It was good.
Okay. The next song is called Chronicles, featuring H.E.R. She's like a R&B singer, and Lil Durk, who is another rapper. It's like a love song.
Yeah. I'm on this road, and I'm not sure where my heart is headed. And if you left me now, I know I far regret it. Told you once, tell you twice that I'm indebted. But I can't waste no time, you know my time is precious. Hey, hit up Eliante for that diamond necklace. Hey, tell me you don't need shit, girl, and I respect you. When we first met, we was lost souls. But I know, I gotta grow. I lace my bitch in the best, give her designer sex. If I fucked up, I'm sorry, it's 50 racks for the stress.
Not in a second, yeah, I don't need no lecture. Baby, I just need your presence. And I promise I'm gon' stay no matter where we left it. Time and effort, I just need time and effort. Temptations in my past, yeah, all the times I was tested. You wanna go, but just make sure that we stay connected. I know you're solid, so I promise you that I'm invested. Love is so beautiful, lust is just kids. Trust is something you should know.
But you made a nigga by your new titties, I made room. I care to make you love me, not make shade room. Ain't scared to say I love you, but to be honest, you can't be so ain't worth. I tried, you tell me I spend my time without my cash. No, we don't spend time. I say I'm a star, but I still do. These gon' be the same ones that's gon' kill for you.
I'm on this road, and I'm not sure where my heart is headed. And if you left me now, I know I far regret it.
Did you like Chronicles, featuring Lil Durk and H.E.R?
Yeah, I like the way it starts with the guitar by itself. It's very nice. I like that opening to it. It's a nice song. It has nice words and everything.
Did you like Lil Durk's rapping?
Okay, interesting.
You liked it?
Yeah, I liked it. It's a nice, easy, soft, mellow song.
Every time. Okay. The next song is called the next song is called Champagne Glasses, featuring another rapper called Freddie Gibbs and Stevie Wonder.
Ain't ever had a problem, gave them hell. I got my auntie, brothers, daddy, cousin, backstage passes. Everybody celebrating with their champagne glasses. I'm just sitting full of pain as I'm touring the country. Thought the stress-free life was gonna come with the money.
Conversations getting complicated, investigated now. You can't shit on me, you pussy niggas is constipated now. Big VF for life, the biggest rabbit in the nation now.
What did you think about Champagne Glasses featuring Freddie Gibbs and the outro by Stevie Wonder?
Well, Stevie Wonder was just the harmonic.
Yeah, the harmonica.
Yeah. I thought he was going to sing in it or something. Which that would have been very interesting. But, I mean, the ending was just, it was nice anyways.
Yeah.
You know, it was different. The starting was different also. It sounded kind of like like in the music, like kind of like in the 80s a little bit or something. I don't know. But I mean, I liked it.
We're going to the next song called Westlake High.
When I first discovered paper, if only Martin Luther never stayed at the Lorraine Hotel, should he still be alive and well? Shout out my nigga Yo Gotti, that's my Memphis connect. He always put his niggas on, and so I give him respect. My right wrist Audemars, left wrist to protect. Fuck a Oxcord nigga, throw that shit in cassette tape. I went through, and that's all I try to do, man, is give y'all my life and everything from a bird's eye view. So you must remember that the mantra, the way of life is always everything high level. And also, I want to dedicate this out to my grandmother, my late grandmother, God rest her soul, Janet Dunstan. She was on my last song singing Interlude, dog, and man, I miss that woman so much. But I'm gonna be here for a long time, man, as long as I want to do this shit. Everything high level.
So that's the last song. I'm gonna count that as the last song we will listen to, because then the last two, Parables is a remix because it came out before, and then Gifted was also another single, and he just put it on here as like a bonus track. Mm-hmm. So the album is supposed to finish here at Westlake High. So I'm just gonna end it there. If you want, we can listen to the other two in a separate video, but
okay.
But yeah, did you like that song?
But I like the song. I like the beat. It kind of like in the old, like maybe the 60s or something, and then they went in more into like, the beat nowadays. Mm-hmm. So I like that.
So it has like you're saying it has like 60s influence.
Yes.
But just with today's production. Exactly.
So I like that. And then they both sounded good. The way they mixed it in, blended it. It was good. I like the words. I like what he says here. That he's human, he's not perfect, and he's not trying to be, and he's just gonna continue and working hard in what he does, and this is not the end of it, and then how he puts his grandma towards the end, his grandmother. It was a nice song. I really liked it.
Right.
Yeah.
So now that we finished all the songs, what would you rate from A Bird's Eye View by Cordae? Out of 10 being, this is the greatest thing I've heard all year. Mm-hmm. 5 is just like whatever, like it's nothing crazy. And 0 being, I was gonna vomit while listening to this album. No. What would you rate it? Out of enjoyment.
I would give it a 6.
You give it a 6?
Yes.
So it's above average?
Yes.
Why?
Because I didn't like all the songs. Uh-huh. I mean, I can be wrong, and sorry if I am. Mm-hmm. I feel like he's kind of like showing off too much. That he made it big and he has money and.
But wouldn't you though?
He can.
Imagine if
I would be careful, and since he's young, and he's getting famous, and he has to be careful who he hangs around with,
Sure.
And don't let the money and the fame and everything go, up to his head. Know how to control it and manage it. Mm-hmm. I liked it.
Thank you for watching and sticking for this long, even though the microphone died. And do you have anything to say?
Just, like my son said, thank you for watching us. Any pointers, anything we need to improve. I am new in this, so please, I take any info, any critics is fine. And please subscribe. And thank you.
Yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and
even if you don't like, comment anyways, so.
Yeah. If you don't like it, don't like it. If you like it, like it. Follow my Instagram. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay, red with no tear, red with no coupe. Pull up in a red limo shit, still I'm in the roof. I've been on some bread with the shit, tryna get the loot. I'ma get the bread, just a split, split it with the crew. Ay, red with no tear, red with no coupe.